cool. Well, this is weird. You know, I said there was like amazingly, well, I didn't say there was amazingly crappy weather, but I said there was crappy weather earlier. Yeah, it's now sunny. Like, really nice. And there's not really any wind, which is awesome sauce, because every time it's sunny, it's windy. And sunny and no wind equals amazingness. So if it's like this tomorrow for the track meet, I will orgasm just all day long. That's not weird, right? You guys do that when there's nice weather, right? I hope. Oh. Off to the store! Off to the store! Forgot to mention I was going to the store by myself again. Because people like to freaking make up tests because they miss school. Who does that? I don't do my homework. Better now. Guess what I got? Yep. I think I'm addicted. Just like Charles Trippy is addicted to coffee and Starbucks. Yeah. Although his addiction is more like, Starbucks is good. And I don't really like coffee, but Starbucks doesn't count as coffee, so I'm gonna drink it good. Yeah. Hopefully that makes sense. Makes sense in my brain, head. Someone's staring at me like I'm crazy. I wonder who it is. I don't care. I am crazy. So, across the street now. Yeah. What's the most unhealthy lunch you've ever had? Someone tell me. Tell me I'm not the only one that drinks energy drinks every day for lunch. I don't even eat. I just drink my energy drink half the time. Sometimes eat, but not all the time. Yeah. Bye-bye. That's how nice it is. People are practicing golf on the lawn of the school. See? Golf. Oh, zoom out. Yeah, that's awesome sauce. I used to be part of the golf team before I did track. Because I was a lame-o. Tried to be like as lazy as I could at the beginning of my high school career. Up. I see LA Jackson. He's watching me. Because he's not vlogging, he's eating food. Oh, puddle. Puddle. There's a lot of water here. Dun. 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 So how you doing? Chips and salsa every day, even when we have French toast sticks for lunch.
It's brunch.
Oh, it's brunch. I'm sorry. It's breakfast for lunch. It's brunch. Oh my God! He cried because I left him. Because I left him and I walked down the hallway around our very large school.
You went an entire lap without me.
I did. I found him. Hey. What are you doing, huh? Just turn the camera on, just be like, what are you doing, huh? Think you're a wise guy, you too? Trying to over here and leave comments on my stuffs. We'll keep doing it.
Hey, there's a woman, over there.
Hey. Hi, what are you doing, huh?
Titties, butthole.
That was really high pitched.
Yeah. I'm not a cookie.
Cookie.
Are you recording?
Yes. Shall we?
This isn't a cookie.
Yes, it is.
It's poop.
You hit it! You hit my camera! Don't run away! What's so funny?
I don't know! I think I want to name your camera Charlene.
Charlene?
Mm-hmm.
Your name's Charlene now. Doesn't matter. Quintendo, you're now Charlene. Grunts baby, you're now Charlene. LA Jackson's now Charlene. I'm Charlene. YouTube is Charlene. Now it's called Charlene Tube.
Hey.
Sounds like a porn site.
I'm doing this with the depth perception of the camera.
Oh. I put my earring back in. Because I found it.
And I put back a different color.
There we go. Those guys right there. Most likely to be famous.
One more.
I got it. Yes.
That's gonna be great. We're gonna be immortalized like that.
Yes, you will.
All right, let's go.
Bye-bye.
Flat.
Look, a mini door. It's for the leprechauns.
That float.
Yeah. No, or jump. They have magical
can't
powers. They have magical powers.
Leprechauns can't jump. They can skip though. They can.
So maybe they skip right through the door there. They go woohoo. Maybe it's from Mario. We just found the deal of a lifetime. Sobe is 5 for $5, and then we found Pop-Tarts, 12 Pop-Tarts for $3. That is amazing.
How much? Is this sugar free? It's low calorie. I could tell.
Dude, I know. I told you they were all healthy, but I don't care. Cause Sobe was only $5 for 5 bottles. Yes.
Dang.
Look at all the computers.
What did they... What did...
Track is gonna be a sunny day. Sunny day. Uh-oh. No, I see a cloud. I see a cloud. Oh. I'm scared. Oh, burped. My bad. So many loud noises! Ah!